Bengaluru commuters will have to wait longer for key Namma Metro corridors, with deadlines for the pink and blue lines being pushed once again. After reviewing project progress, Bengaluru Development Minister Krishna Bairegowda said the elevated section of the pink line from Kalina Agrahara to Tavarkere is now expected to open by August 15th. The underground stretch up to Nagavara has been targeted for completion by March 2027. For the blue line, trial runs between KR-Pura, Marathalli and HSR layout are expected to begin in October 2026. The Hebbal Airport section is now slated to open by June 2027, while the KR-Pura Hebbal stretch is expected only by December 2027. Expressing concern over repeated delays, the minister said missing deadlines by 1 or 2 years had become unacceptable and called for greater accountability from officials and contractors. He also said Bengaluru's operational metro network is expected to reach 175 km by 2028 if the revised timelines are met. He further stated that approval from the centre for Phase 3, including the proposed Orange Line double-decker corridor, is still awaited. He said tenders would be floated once the clearance is received. Bairegowda also directed BMRCL to minimize road occupation at construction sites, improve cleanliness and ensure scientific disposal of debris to reduce inconvenience to the public.